move into resistance stretching for the hamstrings. For this, you want to lay on your back. Bring the leg in towards the chest. You have to bring it into where you can reach it. A strap won't really work with this because you have to resist down and up. You're going to press up with the hands and down with the calf as you straighten the leg. You can resist on the way in and on the way out. For a lot of us, we won't get that leg all the way straight because this angle of the hip, it's really tough. Don't worry about that. We're focused here on building strength in the range of motion you can get at this angle. Remember to breathe. Exhaling as you're resisting. And then if you decide not to resist both in and out, just inhale, relax. Exhale, resist. I'm pulling down with my calf, up with my hands. Inhale, relax. Exhale, resist. Inhale, relax. When you get to that final repetition, 6 to 10, hold wherever you are. Don't worry about it. And relax. And then hold that stretch. If at this point you want to straighten your leg and go to the range you have passively and hold the passive stretch, that would be great. You could grab a strap and do that. After you relax and hold that static stretch, come to a neutral place. Maybe bend your knees to your chest. And go to the other side. So you grab behind. I'm going to lower my leg so you can see. This leg can be bent or straight, depends what feels good for your back. I'm pushing down with my calf and up with my hands. Starting out resisting on the way down and on the way up. And boy, my arms are getting tired. So you're not only strengthening the muscle that you're stretching, if you're resisting with your arms, you're strengthening your arms too. And then you can just resist on the way down and relax on the way up. Resist on the way up, relax on the way down. So it's important because if you're resisting on the way up, that's where you get the strengthening in the hamstrings because I'm resisting as I'm stretching. That's the resistance stretching, resisting as you're stretching. When you get to the end range of motion, just hold isometrically, pushing down with your hand, up, calf up with your hands. Eventually going to your static stretch passively. Find the range where you can straighten that knee. As you can see, my left side's more flexible than my right. As you finish, come back to a neutral spine. A little knees to chest or happy baby can be nice here. Bringing the feet to the ground. Settle in, constructive rest. Moving into Shavasana relaxation if you're done. Letting your body totally relax into the floor. Legs relax, shoulders relax. Cleansing breath or two. Staying in relaxation 5 to 10 minutes.